Lionel issued this walking brakeman operating boxcar. It kind of reminds people of the American Flyer version, S gauge. This one works in a totally different mechanical method. It's a DC can motor with a belt that goes back and forth. The problem is the belt distorts and stretches over time, and it doesn't track very well in the spools that are supposed to keep it. The flanges and the spools themselves are pretty minimal, so there's not much room for error. You can see the milky colored plastic that they use to make these belts is warping, distorting, and what happens is the teeth that are on the two spools don't track the belt very well. There's some solution to this. One, of course, is just to get a new belt. From Lionel, they used a clear plastic later on. It seems to be a little bit more stable. This is the later belt that is available from Lionel in 2026. The other option is to try to strengthen the spring that holds the idler pulley. It's a 7/32 by 3/4 inch. You could try stretching that. There is a stop on the other side of the pulley where the two screws are down by the coupler. Removing the stop allowed the idler pulley to move a little bit, to take up the slack that the stretch belt gave me.